Hello everybody. If you are looking for Cardano community event, look no further. Rare Bloom is going to be hosting probably one of the biggest Cardano community event on October 14th and 15th, and it's going to be held at GAYLORD, Rockies, Colorado. Before we're going to review the event, just want to state something. This is not sponsored video, and I was not asked to make this video. I found this event and I just wanted to share with Cardano community. And I will leave a link to this event in the description below. First thing you'll see, book your stay and get tickets. We press on book your stay, it will take you to this hotel and you can make reservation here. And this is the hotel where the event is going to be hosted. And then if we go back, we can press on get tickets, and right here you're going to be able to see the pricing, and you'll just have to add how many tickets you would like to purchase, either general admission or VIP admission. I'm going to close this for now. We're going to look into details, what's the difference and what benefits you're going to be getting with each ticket. So if we scroll down, right here, as you can see, welcome to Rare Bloom. Join us for the first Rare Bloom Colorado community event on the 14th and 15th October 2022, held in gorgeous GAYLORD Rockies Resort and Convention Center. We have an action-packed weekend lined up. From inspiring speakers and cutting-edge exhibitors to digital art installation, live music, and much more, the resort offers a family-friendly experience with a water park, gym, spa, on-site restaurant, and a host of activities to cater for a whole family. This weekend will be celebration of all things Cardano, and we cannot wait for you to join us. See you there. So this is what this convention center looks like, and this is from the inside, and looks like this is another part of the convention center. As you can see, they have huge swimming pool area, and hopefully in October it's still going to be warm in Colorado. And then the best part is special guests, as you can see right here so far, and this is only 6 months away from the event and already so many special guests sign up. Singularity Net, Singularity DAO, Input and Output, Sunday Swap, Charlie 3, Claymates, Liquid Finance, ADA Handle, Cornucopias, NFT Market, Token, and you can see right here influencers, YouTubers, and more to be announced soon. So they're going to be keep adding. As I stated earlier, still 6 months away, and there's already so many special guests sign up for this event. And then let's look at the ticket. It's going to be pretty cool if tickets going to be actual NFT, not a paper ticket. So there are 2 tiers of tickets available, general admission and VIP. Here's what each ticket offers. So if you buy general admission, this is going to be $350, and right now the price is early bird price, so most likely price is going to go up very soon. So if you get general admission, you'll get randomized Rare Bloom partner NFT airdrop, opportunity to enter lifetime pass giveaway, general admission entry registration, drinks, food tickets, non-reserved GA stage seating, outdoor terrace access, access to workshop, and access to builder session. So this ticket offers quite a bit, but if you can afford a VIP ticket, then you'll get all Rare Bloom partner NFT airdrop, guaranteed to enter lifetime pass giveaway. If you will win lifetime pass giveaway, you're going to be able to attend Rare Bloom for the rest of your life, and they're going to be holding this event every single year. Then exclusive VIP entry registration, increased drinks, food tickets, exclusive VIP stage sitting area, outdoor terrace access, access to workshop, access to builder session, exclusive VIP lounge, VIP outdoor terrace, VIP bar, VIP restroom, and the last, you'll get VIP merch bag. Most likely it's either going to be just a Rare Bloom merch or maybe the merch from all of the companies that's going to be attending that event. And then we can scroll down, and right here, frequently asked questions. I'm not going to go through all of them, but here's, for example, if you have family, if you can bring children, young people to the conference, and yes, this is family friendly event. And then how much ADA should you bring? Right here they're stating you just need enough for spending money, but the venue and the service will be accepted USD only, so just bring USD dollars. And then if you can bring camera, yes, of course, just please be mindful of other privacy. And then if we scroll down, you can contact them. Just put your name, email, and select inquiry about why you contacting them, and just leave a message and then press on submit, and they'll get to you. So if you would like to bring exhibit, or speaking at the conference, sponsoring, volunteering, or maybe other, all that information can be requested here. And this is pretty much it. If you're a huge fan of Cardano community and you can make it to this event and you can afford, I would recommend signing up, because it looks like this is early bird tickets and I'm pretty sure price is gonna go up. And I'm gonna leave link to the rare bloom in the description below. And if this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.